Hi everyone, this is Deb, and I am here with a Dollar Tree haul. It's not a real big one, but yesterday I had to go to a bank it's not real far from me, but it's like 15-20 minutes away. There was a really bad accident where I turned to go onto a main road. On the main road just south of where I was turning to go north, there was a car flipped over and all that. So anyway, the whole reason I'm telling you that is after I went to the bank, I decided I didn't want to go, I had to go down that main road. So I wanted to wait a while, and there happened to be a Dollar Tree in that area, and it's the one I'm calling my new one that's further away. I have my one that's close, that's small. But anyway, so I went to the one that has a good variety usually. So I did get a few food things like hamburger dill chips to put on burgers and sandwiches and stuff. We like those, the hamburger dill ones. And also the sandwich slice ones are good. But and they're for $1.25. You can't really I can't get them for that price anywhere else. So maybe, well, I don't know. I didn't check Walmart, but we know we like these, so we'll keep getting them as long as they have them. And I got another bag of is it Harry and David milk chocolate peanut butter coffee, which I am drinking today. Not that pack, but I had bought a few packs. So yeah, I can't do that right now with the mic. So anyway, you'll see I was kind of one-sided on things. I didn't get stickers, which I don't need, so yay. But this was in the front in like the summer stuff. This little toucan and these flowers they have almost every year. I don't remember seeing this, and I didn't get it to use as, a net to hang things. But yeah, I think this might be older stock. But anyway, I got it to use this texture on things. 6 feet by 8 feet. That's pretty big. Almost like a hammock, right? Anyway, yeah, I got it to cut in pieces and use this texture wherever I feel like I need it. Then I'll show you the thing I got the most of last. I can't remember if I bought these the last time, maybe, but I've seen people using them and apparently they're double-sided. They're time cards. Now I do have a handful, literally maybe 5 left of real time cards that, they're not punched, but they're like the old style computer punch cards. But so I'll wait and use them first. Or maybe these can go in journals that don't need the antique look or whatever. I got this, A, because it was pretty. Now, they had some other journals that were prettier on the outside and thicker with more paper. No, I shouldn't say that. They weren't prettier on the outside, but they had more paper and about the same size. But I like this one. It's got the shadow of the flowers in here. And, I mean, you could almost turn this into a journal by just, I don't even know if I'd cover it. I might cover this, and I wish they didn't have notes written on the top of the page. But there you go. I got that one. I also got a sales order book. There's 50 carbonless sets if I don't end up using this in junk journals. And if I do craft fairs anymore, I can use this. I have the smaller ones that I've gotten at Staples, so I'll probably use this in a journal. I like the size of it because you could actually, use it as a page even and go in half like that, or just use this part, however you want to do it. It does have an odor to that because I think of the carbonless paper. And then this I'd never seen there before, a notes organizer, 80 sheets. It's a different style. It says date, subject, Q, notes, and has like a column line here and a summary. So that I thought was pretty cool, and it's double-sided. So 80 sheets double-sided is 160 sheets. So I really liked the way that looks. 6 by 8.5 inches. IQ Notes Layout, Scholar, New York, distributed by Greenbrier. Never saw that before. Now, my Dollar Tree, my Dollar Tree did have the new cardstock paper packs with the marbly look, and also I call it like a birthday paper pack. It's a very vibrant, different um, patterns like polka dots. I didn't get them because if you saw how much paper stock and cardstock I have in this room right now, you'd say you should never, ever, ever buy paper again. And you're right. I did, however, get this, and I did see, I think it was Possum Patty haul this. I'll try and link her channel if you are not familiar. It was probably a week or two ago. I just got sticky on the top one. So, because I remember her saying she would have hoped the whole pack was these holographic. I can't believe I just ruined that. Anyway, so you get 2 holographic, 2 gold, a red, which I'm fine with for Christmas or Valentine's, a silver, a blue, and a green. I don't know why they're so curled, but that's nice for Christmas or um, next year's St. Patrick's Day, right? So that's what's in it, and I think for $1.25, that's a good deal, I think. I don't know, because, well, I guess, what size are these? Let's see. They are 6 by 6, I believe. Yeah, so 6 by 6. So 4 of those equals a 12 by 12. So 2 sheets of 12 by 12 is what that's equivalent to for $1.25 in foil. I think that's pretty good because I think you'd probably, unless you got it at a really good sale price, you'd probably pay $2 for, at least $2 for 2 sheets. If you go to somewhere like an online store I used to work for, you'd pay a lot more than that for 2 sheets of foil. Okay? And I did get 2 blings. I thought I got 2 of the black ones. I guess I decided to only get 1 because I figured they're about 8 inches. Let's see. Oops. Because I don't have much black bling. Yeah, they're about 8 1/4, 8 1/2 maybe. About 8 1/4 or 8 3/8 inch long. And let's see, dot to dot. Dot to dot is about an inch. Meaning like this dot here to this dot here, although those I think are separate dots. And just this part's all connected and has little flowers in it. I don't think I've ever seen this particular one, and I got it in pink. They had other colors too, but those are the only 2 I got. And then and this was in like the office supply where all this stuff was like in an office supply aisle. All this stuff. These are tags, and I use them to price my necklaces, but the ones I have are smaller. Now I got them in like a box of 1,000, but they don't leave me a lot of room to write. Like I can put the price, but I put my, I have a piece code I use, and usually a little description on the back of what it is, especially if it's gemstones. So you get 60 for $1.25. I just like the size of them. And what I was looking for was the pop dot tape in the 3 sizes. No, didn't have it. The only one they had was in the automotive area or the household area, the phone mount tape, and I think I have some of that, so I didn't want that. And then everything else I got is fabric. So unlike me, but they had a huge selection of fabric, like 4 or so boxes of this stuff. This was in a separate box. They had this velour fabric sheet. I just happen to like the color of this one. I don't know if I'll use that as a cover or if I'll use it as accents on stuff or if I just use it to play with because I love how it feels, like my kitty cat. This one I thought would be pretty for spring and summer. It's yellows, grays, and greens. A little bit of orange or red in there. Really pretty. This is craft fabric, 18 inches by 21 inches. Ladybugs. I could do a ladybug theme. Again, 18 by 20. This is 100% cotton. So is the first one. This floral. Yeah, I went a little hog wild. Also cotton. This one I want to open up. This looks like it has little squares of flowers and kittens, it says on there, but I want to open it. Scissors. My hands are such a mess. Please forgive. I broke every nail that I have, and they're going even down below the nail line. It's just awful. I don't know what oh my gosh. I'm so glad I got this. Now, one of my friends, asked me to do a journal about my cat. Wouldn't this be perfect for the cover? Meow, kittens. And my daughter loves cats, so I might have to do something for her too. But she's not a journaler, but still, I could do a little gift book or something for her. Amy, if you're watching this, you didn't hear that. Because I don't know if I'll get to it. Boots and buckets, fun, playful kittens, butterflies and flowers. Actually, that's what I saw because that's on the thing. And then I just saw the word kittens. Where did I see that? Oh, here, like this. Oh, this is so cute. I'm so happy I got this. Yeah, 18. I think this was the only one I saw of this actually. Or I maybe should have gone and got, I had to go back, or maybe I'll go to a different one and see if I can find another one of those. Yeah, so cute. And that's cotton also, right? Where does it say? Yep, cotton. Then this one is the first one I picked out. It's like a denim, but they had several. One was darker. This one was light with more like a nubby look, although it's smooth. So I like denim, so maybe a denim or a boho journal would be good for that. Then this one is summery with the toucan birds. Let's open this one up too, because I want to see it on the inside. Okay, leave the sticker on. Ooh, this is pretty. No, it's more floral and paisley. I thought it had toucan birds, but oh, this would be good for boho, wouldn't it? That's beautiful. Very pretty. Yeah, I'm becoming a fabric addict now, too. Not that I need that. All right, I'll have to fix that later. This one I thought looked like the nebula. You know, the star with the sky with the stars in it, different colors. So I like that kind of stuff. And then this one just reminded me of the 70s, which I'm a teenager of, and a young adult of. Yeah, cotton also. And then the last one was this one, which sort of looks like fireworks. Let's open that up too. Mostly blues, but some yellows and purples in it. Yep, isn't that pretty? More pastel-y though than these. These are bright, you know. This is, I thought maybe those would go together, but no, this would go better with this one if I wanted to put like this on the inside and that outside or something like that. We shall see, but very pretty. Love the colors in it. Stars, fireworks. So, yep, very pretty. So that is my Dollar Tree haul. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 fabrics, some fishing netting, some tags, some bling, some foil, which I'm going to have to put under something. These time cards. This notes, well, let me put sales orders. This notes, which maybe I'll just keep for me to use. I don't know. And this one, which I thought was really interesting paper. And it's double-sided. So even if I use it in a page in a journal and fold it in half like that, you get lines there and you'll get lines on the other side as well. You know, if you put it in like that. So anyway, I thought that was a good find as well. And how many sheets? 80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I have got to stay out of Dollar Tree because you wouldn't believe how much I spent there. Well, you can see. Plus I got coffee, dill pickles, and oh, instant coffee I found also. That's for dyeing instead of using what's left in the pot. Because by the time I have my 2 cups and then my son has a giant cup and then his travel mug to take to work, it usually has hardly anything, if anything, left in the bottom. So I bought the instant coffee to be able to dye paper as I want to, when I want to. And it was a jar this time, not just little boxes. Anyway, hugs, love, and peace. Have a great weekend. Bye.